A chartered flight from Moscow to Goa with 244 people on board was diverted to Gujarat's Jamnagar, a move which was triggered after Goa air traffic controller received a bomb threat. The incident happened on Monday night. All the 236 passengers and 8 crew members were evacuated safely, and the plane is being checked by local authorities along with the police and bomb detection and disposal squad, said Ashok Kumar Yadav, Inspector General of Police, Rajkot and Jamnagar Range. The Jamnagar airport officials added that the airport is currently in an isolation bay. The plane landed safely at Jamnagar Defence Airport at 9:49 pm, said Jamnagar Airport Director. The Russian embassy also released a statement which said that it was alerted by the Indian authorities. The embassy was alerted by the Indian authorities about the alleged bomb scare on the Azur Air flight en route from Moscow to Goa. The aircraft has made an emergency landing at Jamnagar Indian Air Force Base. Everyone on board is safe. The authorities are conducting a thorough inspection of the aircraft, the Russian embassy statement read. Meanwhile, a Goa police officer said that the flight took off from Moscow and was supposed to land at the Dabolim airport in the coastal state but was diverted to Jamnagar due to the bomb scare. The Goa air traffic controller had received an email claiming a bomb threat on board the international flight. A bomb squad as well as fire brigade teams reached the spot. Apart from this, CISF officials as well as the collector and superintendent of police also reached the airport. The Goa police has beefed up security in and around the Dabolim airport as a precautionary measure, he added. The international flight from Moscow, which was supposed to land at the Dabolim airport, was diverted to Jamnagar due to a bomb scare, Deputy Superintendent of Police Salim Sheikh told reporters at Panaji. All the emergency services are kept on standby at the airport, while senior police officers have held a meeting with the airport officials. Deputy Superintendent of Police Vasco Salim Sheikh said that the precautionary measures are being taken and a special force has been deployed at the airport to monitor the movement of people and track any suspicious activity. We are watching the activities here. There is nothing to worry about. This can also be a rumor, but we are not taking any chances, said the DSP.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.